Hello everyone, welcome back. We are Monday, March 18th, and when I woke up this morning, actually I don't know what I weighed, so let's take a look at it together, shall we? Very interesting what happened this morning. So, so 64, right? 64, which is a net gain of like a kilo point 1.05 kilo. Let's try it again, right? Oh, so 63.5. So just a gain of like 600 grams, 5 to 600 grams. Let's check again, shall we? We're back at 64. What is going on? Let's check again, shall we? Okay, last time, 63.55, right? 63.55, guys. 64, 63.55, 64. We don't know. I'm hovering between, Yesterday, let's take a look at the numbers. I can tell you straight away that the number for the total calories, 1,710 calories, is an absolute estimate. Absolute estimate. Half of it, I have estimated the quantities. I have tried to remember what I ate. I grazed all day. But let's get back to that. So total calories, 2,710 calories, 113.1 grams of protein. I walked 3,606 steps for 2 kilometers. Big day. So yesterday was the second day of my period. I took it super easy. Did not even intend to go for a walk, okay? I just walked down the road to the bar and then went back up. So I broke my fast with my shake around 9:45 a.m. and then had eggs and toast with jam and butter. I did my meal prep, and as I was doing my meal prep, I snacked on a lot of things. I tasted olives, goat cheese, everything that I was prepping, which I usually don't. I don't taste my preps. But yesterday I felt like it. Also, I had a lot of nuts, a lot of cashews, a lot of almonds, and I did not weigh them at all. Okay, so the last meal was my seitan, corn, pepper, and basmati rice that I had prepped. But then after that, I had lots of chocolate that I did not weigh. I had fries, yes, oven baked, but still fries. And then I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich because I was starving, and multiple other things. So yesterday I completely estimated everything, and I don't even think I remembered because I entered everything in the system at night and this morning, and I don't even think I remember any, like most of the things that I ate. I think I ate 10 olives. I'm not sure. I think it was a tablespoon of peanut butter. I'm not sure. My point is, I had 2 glasses of wine, okay, and it was really fun. We had fun. It was outdoors. It was a TJ. Like, it was a really typical weekend day that we all have. And when we're trying to track or we're trying a new program or whatever, and we are thinking, oh, well, that program doesn't work because look, I gained weight. Even my scale doesn't know what I'm weighing this morning. It's exactly what I'm trying to show with weighing my food before starting some crazy program, like completely avoiding a food group, or I don't know what kind of program is on the market at the moment on the internet. I don't really follow this, but I'm just saying, before you knock off calorie deficits, calorie in, calorie out, because hormones and all that, yes, hormones will play a role in that. But if you don't actually track for a few days to a few weeks to see if that's really your problem, then you're probably bypassing the most basic way of losing weight and the easiest as well, which is just lowering the amount of total calories that you're consuming. And then just thinking it doesn't work. If you had any idea how yesterday was, it was fun for me because I knew that today's vlog was going to be about showing you how impossible it is if you do not have a scale and put every single morsel of food that you consume on that scale, you have no idea how many calories. And 2,700 calories is a lot of calories if you're trying to lose weight. Obviously, if you're super active and you're walking like 8 hours a day, training 6 hours for a marathon, that's absolutely nothing. That's not enough calories. What I'm saying, if you have a sedentary lifestyle, if you sit a lot, then that's a lot of calories for most people. I estimated everything, and like I can't stress enough how this basic data analysis is just so important. So meal prepping is obviously helping me bypass this whole weighing everything every day at every time you eat something, because you weigh it, like everything is weighted yesterday, and I don't need to worry about this. But that was such a typical day. Anyway, I want to today is Monday. I have my prep. I feel really dehydrated. I didn't drink enough yesterday. When I had my peanut butter jelly sandwich last night, I wasn't really hungry. That is the truth. But the truth is I was super dehydrated because I don't drink a lot. I don't drink often. 2 glasses of wine, definitely too much for me. Especially on an empty, not that my stomach was empty because I had lunch before, but I wasn't eating as I was drinking. We were in an outdoor lounge. There was live music, and I didn't really want to have a cocktail. It wasn't warm enough. But also, I really felt like having red wine because I like red wine. But I usually consume red wine with food at a meal, not on its own. So I was very dehydrated yesterday, and I can feel it today. I don't feel hungover or anything. I just feel dehydrated, right? I want to tell you what I'm going to do in the next 12 days, because today is Monday. Next Friday is the last day that I have a full day of just taking care of my habits, healthy habits and routine. And next Friday in 12 days, so the Friday after is Good Friday, so everything is going to be closed, probably including the gym. It's going to close his gym, that's for sure. Anyways, I have 12 days. When I became a fitness chef, it was for myself. I wanted to learn how celebrities were, losing weight, dropping weight so fast before a movie, and what they were consuming through the help of their diet chef, right? And so I didn't want to become a chef, like live-in chef, or a chef who cooks every single meal for a family, and that was not my goal. I wanted to be able to help someone lose weight really quick. Like, oh my goodness, in 2 weeks I have my wedding. I still can't zip up my my dress completely, fully, and I have to in 12 days, 13 days. This is in 2 weekends I'm getting married. So I wanted to be able to cook for someone who had an emergency. And so my plan was a 12-day plan, starting on a Monday and ending on a Friday, 12 days later. So meal prepping the Sunday before. So yesterday was Sunday. And just having this one weekend in the middle of 2 work weeks to be a little more paying attention to what we eat and how much we exercise before the big event, which is 5-6 days later. So Petite Calories was based on 12 days. So you cook on a Sunday for the whole 12 days. You leave 3 to 4 days worth of meals in the fridge, and you freeze the rest. I cannot do that at the moment because my freezer is going to blow up. It's so full, so I cannot freeze anything. But what I'm going to do in the next 12 days, the meals are going to be the same exact thing as if I had cooked for 12 days in a row, okay? The only difference is I'm going to meal prep 3 times. Meal prepped yesterday, I will meal prep in 4 days, and then I will meal prep again the last Sunday. I'm going to follow my old plan, the 12-day fit in my jeans, Petite Calories. I cannot believe it's been so long. I'm going to show you I missed that time. That was my first start, and it was such a good plan, seriously. And I came up with it myself, for myself. Anyways, this is what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is really take care of my workouts in the next coming 12 days. Well, 11 if he closes on Good Friday, but I'm going to really take care of my workouts. Now I don't have my period anymore for 2 weeks. because I have my period now. So I'm not going to have my period the first day, which is horrible, which is tough. I'm not going to have that in 2 weeks. I'm going to be stronger because I'm going to be in a phase of my menstrual cycle that's going to make me able to lift heavy and be strong in the gym. I am going to really take care of my walks. I want to be spending way more time in nature. Okay, 3 hours is great. But in 2 weeks from now, I'm done with this. There is no more beautiful nature. There is no more beautiful walks. And it could be like this for a few months. So me, I'm really going to enjoy the present moment. I have a smaller workload for the next coming 2 weeks, leading to Easter break. So I'm going to really spend a lot of time outside. Whether it's nice or not, it doesn't matter. I really just want to take care of myself. And in terms of eating, well, obviously I am going to meal prep for all my meals. That's going to be taken care of. And yeah, I'm not going to reach my goal weight of 59 kilos in 12 days for sure. But I'm going to at least get closer to it, as close as I can to it, and really take care of myself. So everything is in line for me to succeed. Everything hormonally speaking is behind me. The hardest time of the month is behind me. I do have a good 2 weeks of not worrying about cravings or anything like that. I have my method, the 12-day method, petite calories method, that is going to be applied for the next 12 days. I'm going to be really, really careful about how much I walk, and every single training in that gym is going to be amazing. It's going to be slow, and it's going to be slow reps, and it's going to be an intensity of at least 6 on 10. So anyways, I will see you tomorrow for feedback on today. Bye.